Hi, regarding your last question, the previous question, this is what I have done. So I'm going to select these two column, whereby um, I'm going to make a copy. Then I'm going to go all the way to the back column here. Maybe I'll start with AB. So I come here, I'll paste. Now, why I put it aside like this? Because I need you to do some sorting. Right, so but before that I just going to uh, select the whole column here, the MRN, and I'm going to insert something called highlight, conditional formatting highlight whatever that duplicates. So duplicate value, so there are some data here which is duplicate value. I'm going to make it as red. Maybe I'll just put it as red text. Okay, red text, or maybe I'll put it red color. I think it'll be very clear. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set up something called a sorting order. So my first level here is the MRN. The MRN, I want to sort it by the cell color, and I want to put it on top. Right, then I'll add another level, still the MRN, but the value is actually from the smallest to the largest. Then I will add another level, and I'm going to put the date from the oldest to the newest. So I'm going to put here OK. Now by doing that, oops, what did I do? Oh yeah, it's on top. Yeah, those who are actually a duplicate will be in red color. So what I'm planning to do now is I'm going to write a formula, and this formula will check for me whether if no, maybe I don't put it if here, and this particular cell, right, is equals to this cell, comma, and then this particular cell minus the cell above is equals to 1. So most probably there will be no answer and there will be an error. So it's called a value error. So if what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one and put the if error, right? Then I go back here, put a comma, then I'm going to put there false. If error, then it's a false, so it give me a false. So I'm going to put here, so there's a true, because there's a repeat, you see. Basically this one come back in just one day after. So I'm going to replace this formula as I always show you in the class. I'm going to put there if this particular, okay, let me just move this a little bit. Oops, did I do? Okay, let me just move this a little bit over here. Now I said if the logical test come back with true, that means this one is within a day, right? Otherwise I'll just leave it empty. Okay, maybe I'll put there more than a day, or never. Okay, never mind, I'll just leave it empty then. Okay, just leave it empty. Ta-da! So it's empty, and when I double click this, it will go all the way down to the very last cell. Okay, I'm going to go slowly going down. So these are the one that repeats, you see, they repeat within one day. All the within one day will appear, so you can actually just double check them like this. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Alright, so yeah, so this is how you can check. Then if you want to know number of uh, within a day, so what you do is in this formula you put that equals to count if right, this column all the way down to the very last item, the entire column, then comma, I put a within a day. So it will tell me that there are 37 cases of repeat coming back within a day. So if the number keep changing, then this number will keep changing. Right, so that's all for this video. I hope this is going to help you in your report.